The data catalog is core to Promethium as it gives the user a foundation of discovery for all the data is. Promethium's data catalog actually connects to a number of different data sources, over 200 in fact, including any type of relational database, data lake, data warehouse, S3-based data sources, and SaaS applications like Salesforce. We allow users to very quickly search and find any type of table, file, or even SQL queries or even database views. Very, very easy for users to basically filter for what they're looking for, or users can actually simply type if they are not sure what they're looking for. For example, if type revenue, it will look across everything we have, tables, column names, tag names, SQL query names, views, etc. You can do things like you can limit it by favorites, you can limit it by endorsements, etc. And once you click on this, Prometheum allows you to actually understand a little bit more. For example, how many times this actually has been used in what's called a data map, which is effectively a SQL query. So you can also see things like the actual sample values, the metadata type, the column names. You can see things like preview of the data. You can go up to the first 1,000 rows, and instantly without moving data, Prometheum will update the preview. This gives you a fast and secure way to see the data. You can see how it's being used. For example, I can see, hey, this particular query was used using this table. It's been viewed 11 times, and by who? And if I click on it, Prometheum instantly take me to that particular query and why I use this particular data. So it gives me a lot more information about, more than just the table and the columns. We can also let you find dashboards. So for example, let's say I want to find something or an email. I can actually see, hey, there's actually a dashboard here, and it will refresh in real time. It's about email campaign performance. And so not only is it a data catalog, it's also a catalog of visualization. It makes it very useful for business users to actually see what's going on. It can also be a catalog of how things were put together. So for example, if somebody had a question on what is the revenue by subscription by plan, well, Prometheum will actually help you understand how this was actually built. First of all, if you ask a question, Prometheum will give you the answer that was associated with it, so that way the business user can satisfy his query. So you can see here, it shows the charts, the visualization. It also shows the narration telling you what this is about. And if you have proper access, we can even show you a couple steps deeper in terms of, well, how was this data set or this answer built? And so you can see the tables that were actually used. You can see the steps that the user took to actually build this, the different types of joins, the different types of group bys. So this is actually all shown here in Promethium. You can see the real-time lineage that was here, the preview of the data, and this is where the answers were actually created. So in a single product, Promethium actually provides data discovery and cataloging for tables, columns, tags, queries, questions, answers, and dashboards, all in a single solution that allows things like collaboration, crowdsourcing, so you can also have the ability to collaborate and chat with other people on the data team or in the business team. And that really gives it a complete end-to-end framework of not just discovery, but also governance. You can actually control access, control who gets to do what can they see, can they edit, etc. And so this is a complete end-to-end governance framework for our data catalog. Thank you very much.